Oh my goodness. So they do this every day?
Yeah, they're doing every day. Those kids, they are orphanage. They will take care of them, you teach them kung fu. They learn everything how to stay like that, you know, because it's like a hope.
Mm-hmm.
So that time we take them to China. They attend the competition of China and they win. They represent Zambia.
Mm.
Yes. This is another one. You can try that. I think very sure you can try.
Try
that.
what?
This one. Look.
Try this?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Chat, should I try that? Chat, should I try that?
Yeah, you can try.
Oh, I know that hurts. Oh my God. Oh, they just dropped him.
Okay, when you want to try. Now, remember you've been in China and you practice the sticks.